the biggest threat of natural gas, which I've recently decided to stop calling it that and call it methane, because that's the name of the pollutant that
Or fossil gas.
Right, fossil gas, methane gas. I'm sure these lovely women can speak more about the effects of, living near gas infrastructure, or the health impacts. For me as a journalist, the biggest threat that I see from methane gas is propaganda leading to more climate delay. I have been covering climate change since 2013. When I began this beat, I had no idea what I was getting into. I just wanted to be a reporter. I didn't care what it was about. I figured climate change would be an easy place to get a job other than a political reporter, because I was like, no one's applying for climate change jobs. But, and now look at us. But, so when I started, I was really taken aback by the amount of denial rhetoric. And I spent a lot of my time debunking climate denial rhetoric. I didn't assume that it was wrong. I went into it with a journalist mindset, thinking, I'll fact check this. I'm like, oh, actually, this is wrong. Then it started to move away from outright climate denial, and I started to hear a lot about clean coal. Climate change is real, but we have technology that can fix it. It's called clean coal. And then I would do my reporting on it, and I'd be like, actually, it doesn't seem like it's very clean, or that it's going to do anything. And then I started, people would tell me that this was just another delay tactic, another way to sow apathy among people, to sow mistrust or just unsureness, so that people wouldn't be really fired up to move the transition away from fossil fuels. This delay has continued until now, when we're at climate change is real. We're not using coal, but we're going to use natural gas, which is a climate solution. And you'll see this everywhere. You'll see this on commercials. You will see this on posters in the airport. You will see this on your Twitter feed and ads. You'll probably see TikToks about it, and pundits and articles about gas, where there's both sides of the issue, that natural gas or methane gas is clean and that it's not. This is just another climate delay tactic. It's another both sidesing of misinformation. So the number one thing that I would say when you're thinking about methane gas or natural gas is that understand that it's a propaganda tactic to sow apathy and unsureness around you, to feel like maybe we don't have to transition away from fossil fuels, when the science clearly states we do.